Tired of getting stuck when using the eBay app? This video shows you exactly how to print a packing slip from the eBay app on Android step by step, so you can stop wasting time and get your orders out professionally. If you're an eBay seller who works from your phone, you've probably felt that frustration of digging through menus, trying to find a simple print option for your packing slips. It feels like it should be right there, but it's hidden. You're definitely in the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact hidden steps to print that packing slip smoothly. No more guesswork. Let's get your orders looking professional. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. First, open up your eBay app. Once it's loaded, look for the Selling tab in the navigation menu, which is usually on the left-hand side or at the bottom. Tap on that to go to your seller dashboard. Step 2. Now that you're in the Selling hub, you'll see a summary of your activity. You're looking for the Orders section. It will show you how many orders you need to manage. Go ahead and tap on Orders. Step 3. Next, scroll through your list of recently sold items and find the specific one you need the packing slip for. Just tap anywhere on that item's entry to open up its order details screen. Step 4. All right, this is the step that trips everyone up. On the order details screen, look all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a blue button, probably for leaving feedback. To the right of that button, there's a small drop-down arrow. Tap that arrow. Quick pause. If this tip just saved you a headache, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps other eBay sellers find this solution. Okay, back to it. Step 5. Tapping that arrow brings up a new menu of order actions. From this list, you need to select Manage Shipping. This is a key step for any eBay seller tips related to fulfillment. Tap on Manage Shipping. Step 6, we're almost there. Now you're on the label details screen. Look for the 3 dots icon, also known as an ellipsis, which is usually next to the Print Label button. This button opens yet another menu. Tap on those 3 dots. Step 7, and there it is. The final menu, Shipping Actions, will pop up. At the bottom of this list, you will finally see the option to print packing slip. Tapping this will generate your eBay packing list and open your Android device's print dialog, where you can send it directly to your wireless printer. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to find and print a packing slip right from the eBay app on your Android. No more getting stuck in menus or shipping orders without a professional packing list. You can now get your packages out faster and give your customers a better experience. If you found this tutorial useful and want more eBay seller tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other eBay tasks do you find tricky? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.